Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to disable audio and video calling in message requests on X. If you've been getting unwanted call requests or simply prefer to keep your messages limited to text, this quick guide will help you take control of your inbox in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the message icon. This will take you into your direct messages section, where all your conversations are listed. From here, you'll see the option labeled Message Requests. Tap on it. This is the area where messages from people who are not in your direct contacts will appear. Many users notice that audio and video calls can also come through this section, which can be frustrating if you don't want them. At the top of the Message Requests page, locate the small settings icon, usually represented by a gear or similar symbol. Tap on it to open the messaging preferences. Now, inside this settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Enable Audio and Video Calling. By default, this may be switched on, which allows people to place calls through message requests. To disable this, simply toggle the switch off. Once you've done that, you'll no longer receive audio or video calls from message requests. That's it. Just a few seconds and your settings are updated. This change can really improve your experience by making your messages feel less intrusive and keeping them focused on text conversations. It's a great way to maintain control of your communication without worrying about unexpected call interruptions. So if you've been looking for a simple way to stop those unwanted calls, now you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching.